took Latin with Mr. Hughley Sandwich, and being in a church choir, I just sung Latin for like going on a decade. And taking Latin, I was like, this is really different. Apparently, the church does not speak like the Romans did. And so to kind of honor Mr. Image, I'm going to be singing two settings of the same Latin text, Ave Maria, but one in Church Latin and one in Roman Latin. The first one is Ave Maria by Bach and Gounod, and the second one is Ave Maria by Schubert.
Здесь есть микрофон.